Hello. Say it's yellow for my video.
It's yellow. He's fast.
Space. What you doing? Hello.
No, he made like that. When Tiffy safe, she go.
Oh, yes. Come on. Oh, hiding. Yellow balloon popped. Sorry, scaring the neighbours. Here's my little clamp. Where's the cat?
I'm not sure. Have you got your watering can hand?
Cool.
Select game. Freestyle. Begin.
I'm concentrating too much apparently. Maybe I need to relax. There you go. Concentrate. So, this is a game from the early 2000s called Mindflex.
Mindflex?
It has a simple EEG chip inside one of these, and it has one electrode here which goes above your left eyebrow and two that clip onto your earlobes. So, electromagnetic field. Sorry, I got that wrong. EEG picks up electrical signals, electrical activity. MEG is what can pick up the magnetic field from your neurons, but EEG just records electrical activity, which is picked up through the scalp. The EEG chip interprets this and sends a signal to a motor which is inside here. This can be turned, and the ball, depending on the speed of the motor, will levitate at a different height, and you can move it around. It comes with an obstacle course and various attachments. It kind of works, but it's also very difficult to control.
Mindflex lets you move a ball with the power of your mind. We wanted to see how people react to playing Mindflex for the very first time.
Awesome.
A wireless headset transmits your level of brain activity to the console. The more you concentrate, the higher the ball rises. And Mindflex is the obstacle course game you can customize.
It's the future of games right here.
So, what shall we look at first? The headset doesn't really need to be altered, so I'll keep that as it is. Now then, what have we got? We got some screws here. I need a different screwdriver. Tiny, but it works. Out of curiosity, this operates on 2.4 gigahertz. Ugh. See if these screws just fall out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's a nice, neat little pile of screws. Okay. In here, we have several C batteries. Okay. We've opened this up. I'll switch my headset on. There you go.
Calibrating headset.
There you go. Go. Okay, it's a bit temperamental. It was working better before. Okay, it sort of stops. Stop. Cheese and pickle, toasted sandwich with Worcester sauce. Many screws and broken bits of plastic later. We have all the electronics. This is the on-off switch. That's the little speaker.
Select game.
Select game.
Freestyle.
And these are the lights.
Check headset sensors.
Now then, the motor is not plugged in, but the motor is this fella here, and that
Check headset sensors.
goes in there, or possibly the other way around. There we go. There we go, it's working. High power, low power. Working even better that time. The only reason this is all attached to this gubbins is because the battery pack. I can make something to get rid of that problem. This bit was the fan. This little centrifugal fan blows air down this tube and out there. But the interesting thing is, it works in reverse. Magic.